In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can start selling online without a website and no physical shop. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. A lot of people don't actually know that they can start selling online today without a website and no physical shop. You can actually start selling online without a website. And in this video, I am going to be showing you 10 steps that I have used to make millions of sales. And other people have been doing this also to make their sales. This strategy is free. All you need to do is just to follow me step by step and let me guide you on the things that you need to do. And also, if you're a beginner or you're a newbie, you can start now and later you can now create your website. Guys, number one is to choose and find the product that you want to sell. This is the first step that you need to take if you are trying to start an online business. Whether you want to sell for somebody or you have your own product, you need to find that product that you want to sell. You're a manufacturer or you're a supplier, you need to find that actual product that you want to sell. Number two, since you have seen and chosen the product that you want to sell, you need to figure out how you can get that product. Am I going into importation to import those products, or am I going to be sourcing those products locally? Or will I go into arbitrage to get those products? These are the things that you need to put in place and know how you can get your product, because you cannot just get a product, find a product, and you don't know how to get that product. It's crazy, guys. So you need to know how you are going to be getting the product and source the products that you want to sell. Number three is to research your competitors. There's no business that doesn't have competition. So if you want to start selling online without a website, you need to research your competitors. Ask yourself, who are my competitors? You need to know what is up against you and to differentiate your business from their own. You need to know their pricing, how they are running their business. This will actually help you to start your business. The next step that you need to do is to evaluate your ideas. How do I sell these products? And how will I know that these products are going to sell? So right now, this is where the work starts. We need to test the waters. And this is how we test the waters. You need to now go to those websites, marketplaces, platforms that have marketplaces, those websites that have marketplaces. You need to go there and register in their platforms and start posting those products that you want to sell. Like Facebook Marketplace, you need to start posting products with their prices. And you need to go to other shops like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy. Get registered on those platforms and start posting. Before you know it, you start getting feedback. People will start sending you messages and be asking you, is this product available? And once they start asking you, is this product is available, you just tell them yes. Let's take for instance, you have two products. One is men's shoes and one is ladies' wears. And they are all fashion products. So before you know it, they start sending you, you might send like two pictures of products. And before you know it, those men's shoes will now start having like maybe 50 messages or 50 feedbacks. How much is this? How much is this? Is this available? And the female product that you posted, since you posted it, you have not even received, maybe you have received like three messages. How much is this? So by the time you start seeing the feedback on those two products that you posted, and the men's shoes are getting lots of attention, they are getting lots of engagement, you will now know that yes, I am going to be selling shoes, or I am going to be selling male clothes. Depending, the one that have the highest engagement is the one that you will now start selling. That is how you will now know that this type of product, maybe men's shoes, is actually going to sell for me, guys. That is just the truth. Now that you have realized that these actual products are going to make money for me, the next thing that you need to do is to write out your business plan, because right now you are a business person and you are getting set to start your business. Write out your business so that it can help you to achieve your goal. Put your aim. This is how I'm going to set my work This is how I'm going to, act. Set up your map. After that, you now give your business a name, give your business a logo. You need to brand your business and also register your business so that people can trust you, people can know you, people can recognize you. Go to the necessary authorities, like in Nigeria, we have CAC, and register your business, and go to your local authorities and register your business. Now we are getting set. The next thing that you need to do is now open all the profiles. Go to social medias and create all the pages for your business using the name of that your business that you registered. Like example, you have shopping bees. You now open with shopping bees on TikTok, open shopping bees on Instagram, open shopping bees on Facebook page, and you also need to join some Facebook groups and get verified on their groups, because from there, people will be when you once you start posting, people will start seeing your products and be sending you messages. I have used this strategy to sell bulk items at once. I am telling you the truth, and it is free. So you need to create all those profiles and put the necessary buttons that you need to add. Put your phone number there and connect them to your WhatsApp so that once they send you message, especially on your Facebook, it is going to come straight to your WhatsApp. I am telling you this. Also create your business WhatsApp, because you will also be posting things on your business WhatsApp and people will be coming forth there. The leads are coming everywhere from every angle, and you are going to be receiving them. The next thing that you need to do is to now know your delivery strategy. How do I deliver these products to these people? These are the things that you need to put in consideration, because if you're in one state selling, a lot of people from other states, once you start posting this, someone in Lagos, or if you're in America, someone in California, someone in Chicago might start sending you message, and you're not in the same location. And that you're not in the same location doesn't mean that you will not sell that product. So you need to find how you can ship and deliver this product to your customers. So whether you're choosing to do payment on delivery or payment before delivery, or are you going to decide to deliver them by yourself? So you need to find shipping companies or delivery services that can be able to help you in different locations, so that once someone pays for your product or they're delivering in person to get your money for you, you will just send it to them, so that it will not make you not to sell at all. Some people actually want a product and they are in another state. So you need to find how you can send those products by contacting companies that can help you do delivery. So whether it's a free delivery that you want to do, that one is your choice. That one is your choice, yes. Or you want to do payments on delivery or payment before delivery. These are the things that you need to put in place, because right now you are the forefront of your business. After that, you now launch your business. And I forgot to tell you, by the time you start creating those profiles, you need to start creating awareness about your business and start telling people about your business. This is what you want to start. Coming soon, start telling them, start sending messages, create messages, and start sending people inboxes that you are starting business on the social media platform. Send them inboxes. Hi, hello, we are starting. I want to start running my business. Come so dates, we are running that business. After that, you launch your business. Congratulations that you have launched your business, and this business is going to be successful. So after launching your business, you don't need to relax, because now work starts very, very well. The next thing is monitoring your business, and you keep posting products. Start doing content so that people will notice you, so that the algorithm will pick your product and start showing it to different places. Why we always talk about online business is because we have a lot of online audience on online. There is a lot of traffic. So you need to start creating engaging content. Start posting beautiful pictures, taking beautiful pictures of that particular product. Or if you have videos that you want to do, you do them, and you will start seeing engaging content. People will be saying, you can even wake up one day and you start seeing 60 messages, 100 messages, especially on Facebook Marketplace. And after getting all those your customers, people that are always asking you about products, make sure that you are taking their phone numbers. And you use that phone numbers to create a contact list for your customers. If the name of your business is fragrance, or the name of your business is is a amazing business. You can now use right type. If the name of the person that is a customer, you can now write Chantel, amazing shop customer. Just make sure that you have a way that you are registering all the names of your customer, because these your customers. Once you post on your stories on your WhatsApp business, they will be seeing your products and they will be the one to be, you know, sending you messages about that product. So, and also take their email so that once in a while, when you have new arrivals, you can now send them pictures and send them a link where they can click to see some of your business and they will now reply you what they want. It's not that hard to sell online without a website, guys. And this is what you can actually do. And before you know it, I promise you, you are the one that will be running from customers. It's actually possible. So you keep monitoring your business and keep posting, keep sharing. And once you notice that this particular product that you post is getting more engagements and you have made some sales, keep promoting that particular product, because a particular product, one product can even make you millions. You don't actually need to start selling millions of product. Maybe you have 50, you have 100. If you once you notice that this one product is giving you leads, leading people to you, bringing more sales to you, get it more and keep promoting it. Guys, this is where I am going to stop. I hope you understood what I mean. If you take these steps, you are actually going to make sales and you are going to come and tell me how your sales went. Millions of sales, guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.